Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change number formatting in Power BI. This is a fundamental skill that ensures your data displays exactly the way you need it to, whether you're working with whole numbers, decimals, or percentages. First, you'll want to open your Power BI application. Once you've launched it and have your workspace ready, you can begin adjusting the number formatting for any field in your dataset. This process is straightforward and gives you precise control over how your numbers appear in reports and visualizations. Let's say you want to change the formatting for a specific field. For this example, we'll use a field called discount. Navigate to the data view by clicking on the data icon, typically found on the left side panel. Once you're in the data view, locate the discount column on the right side of your screen. Click directly on the column header to select it. This action highlights the entire column and brings up the formatting options you'll need. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll see an option labeled Data Type. This is where Power BI allows you to define how the numbers in your selected column should be interpreted and displayed. The data type setting is crucial because it determines not only how the data looks, but also how it behaves in calculations and visualizations. Click on the drop-down menu beside Data Type. You'll be presented with several formatting options to choose from. These might include text, decimal number, whole number, percentage, and other formats depending on your data. For this example, let's change the discount field to whole number. Simply click on whole number from the drop-down list. As soon as you make this selection, Power BI automatically applies the new formatting to your entire column. You might notice the numbers adjust immediately, removing any decimal places if they were previously there. And that's it. You've successfully changed the number formatting in Power BI. This simple adjustment ensures your data is presented clearly and consistently throughout your reports, making it easier for you and your audience to interpret the information accurately. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.